Welcome everyone. So in this tutorial we will see the complete overview of Google Search Console. So after logging into your Google Search Console account, this will be your overview section where you can see the performance overview, how many clicks you have received. Now if you want to see the new Search Console insights, you can click on this. Now here you can see your achievements, clicks from Google search from 20 August to 10, as you can see here. These are your top growing content, the most popular content, how people are finding us. So basically our most of the users are from Google search. So this is a new Search Console Insight which is in a beta stage. Now if you want to check the full report, you can either click on here or from here. This is the indexing report, how many URLs are getting indexed. So here as you can see, the gray part is that the URLs or the pages are not indexed, and the green part is number of pages that are indexed. So you can also check the full report from here. This is the experience, how user are experience in terms of devices. What is the how user are interacting with your content with the mobile devices, with the desktop. So as you can see, we are good in the mobile terms and failing in one part in mobile utility. Just click on it and you can see the URLs. Okay, yeah. So here these are the three things. So in my home page, text are very small, that I need to validate or fix it. Now the second is clickable element too close together. Now here in my home page, my elements are not proper or not clickable, maybe some of the button, and again content wider than screen. So again maybe some of the components are not proper according to devices. So again I have to fix this. Once I have fixed those issues, I have to click on validate fix, so that a user Google crawler can again crawl my content and these issues will be fixed. This is the time where you can see when this problem has arisen. Now let's go on performance section. So in the performance section, you can check the search type, web, image, video, news. You can also compare these data from web to image, that which type of content is performing good. You can compare the data from 1 month to another month, or you can compare the last 6 months of data. For example, if I want to check the last 6 month data, just click on it. Now if I want to compare the data, either I can go for custom date from March. If I want to compare my data from March to September 23, let's say, just click on apply. Now as you can see, in 2022 we have 0 impressions, and now in March we have 7 clicks and 23 impressions. This is the CTR rate and this is the average position. This is a graph you can see. Now let's come to the major part. Now here you can see the top queries where we are getting ranked on Google. So 3M digital marketing agency, we are getting we have received 1 click and 6 impressions. And check on page SEO. So these are the basically keywords where we are getting impressions and clicks. So what are the top pages where we are getting impressions? So if I want to sort this result according to click, just click on clicks, and if you want to sort it by impression, just click on impression. Now here are the country wise clicks and impression, device wise impression. If you can see desktop, search appearance according to, so we are getting a mostly impression from web stories. Now these are the dates, we are getting a maximum impression. So if I want to check on 10th September, we have received 139 impression. Now again, if you want to check for a specific query, like for example, I want only those query that contains 3M. So we have queries related to 3M. Okay, so we have only 3 queries that are containing 3M. Now I want those queries that are not containing 3M. So we have more than, I guess, yeah, more than 10 queries where we can getting a impression and clicks. So this is how you can apply the filters. You can also compare these data like from queries not containing and queries containing marketing. Okay, so there as it no addition first, so we have no information, but yes, if we include all the queries that are not containing 3M, so we are getting impression 236, and if we are including all the queries that are including marketing, so we are getting a 13 impression and 1 clicks, and same applies on average CTR and average position. So this is how you can also enter the specific page. For example, if I want to check the search result only for 3M Maven, so I can enter the URL, let's say okay, so let's remove the compare. Okay, so if I want to check the result for only page containing 3mevent.com, so here are the result. You can also check for example our services, just copy it. I want to see how many users are, how my service page is performing. So as you can see, here are the result for our services page. So we are getting 0 clicks, 4 impressions, 0 CTR, and average position is 3.8. So this is how you can check the page level data. Let's cancel it. You can also filter it by search appearance. Now here is URL inspection. So for example, if you want to directly check any URL, so just copy it and paste it, so you can directly check the indexing status or every report from here. The page is indexed, mobile is not page is not usable on phone. I can see what are the details. Breadcrumb is valid, site link search box is valid. So now let's go on the page section. So here you can see what are the issues that your website is having. Now you can check the how many pages are discovered but not indexed. We will discuss all these errors in our next video. So view data, so here you can see your data, how many pages are indexed or crawled on and on which date. You can also download this data from here. All known pages, all submitted. You can check the sitemap details, how many pages are discovered from the sitemap. You can also submit the removal request, for example content from the Google search. So you can just click on the new request, enter the URL and just click, so that content will be removed. If the content is outdated, if the content is safe, again. In the page experience we don't have much data, but we will surely discuss this core web vital mobile usability we have already discussed, but here we can, so according to the, if we want to perform good on mobile devices, we have to solve these issues. Let's click on this. You can click on learn more to see what is the actual issue. So here you can see all the types of errors. So the text is too small to read. A significant portion of the text on the page is too small relative to the width of the page. This makes the text hard to read on device. Look at the test screenshot of it to okay. Validate fix. So once you have done with your changes according to the error, you have to click on validate fix. So Google will again check whether the issue is solved or not. So it will take some time. You can try it on your GSC. This is a search area where you can see Google will notify you that if there is any issue. For example, just click on it, find mobile. Okay, here is the AMP section, how your AMP pages are performing, your breadcrumbs, how your breadcrumbs are performing. No issues in breadcrumbs. Site link search is also performing good. Here is a manual action section. There is no issue. Security issues, then in the link section you can see what are the top linking site where I am getting the result. The traffic is the Medium, EasyJob, LinkedIn and aboutme.com. Top link pages, my most of the anchor link and backlinks has been made on for 311.com. Top linking text we have is digital marketing agency in Noida, SEO agency in Jaipur, read my blog. This is how you can see this is the web tool. This is for ad, just ignore it for now. This is the setting part. So I have done the crawl status. You can see the crawl report. So there are 1.9k crawl request or status. So this is how you can see by response, file type, what type of crawl request has been shared with the Google. So it is OK 200, not found 404, by purpose, refresh, discovery, bot type. So we will discuss each and everything in the next video. So for now, thanks for watching and please subscribe to get updates about our new upcoming videos. Thank you.